Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to focus on building strength and improving our endurance through some simple but powerful exercises. I'll be guiding you step by step with moves like push-ups, planks, lunges, squats, and pull-ups. This workout don't just challenge the body, they also boost confidence and energy. So get ready, stay motivated, and let's do it out together. Let's get into push-ups. Start by placing your hands firmly on the ground, shoulder width apart, and keep your body straight from the head to heels. Engage your core, breathe as in you lower your chest slowly toward the floor, keeping your elbow close to your side. Then exhale as you push back up with strength and control. Focus on form, not just speed, and keep your movement steady and powerful. Let's move into the plank position. Rest your forearm on the ground, keep your elbows directly under your shoulders, and extend your legs straight behind your toes on the floor. Engage your core, keep your back flat, and make sure your head, spine, and heel straight line. Next, let's go into lunges. Start by standing tall with your feet hip width apart, then step forward with one leg and slowly lower your body until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Now let's move on to the squat. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, chest left, and core engaged. Begin by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your weight in your heels and your back straight. Finally, let's finish strong with pull-ups. Grip the bar firmly with your arms fully extended. Engage your core, then pull up your body upward by driving your elbows down and back, lifting your chin above the bar. Each exercises challenge different part of your body, helping you grow stronger, more balanced, and more disciplined with every rep. Remember, consistency is the key to progress, so keep showing up, stay focused, and celebrate every step forward.